All right, so card 6, we have 3 different problems on it. Our first one, we have 2 angles that are given to us, and you can see that we have 2 lines that are parallel. So we have a parallel line here and here, and then we have the transversal coming through. So if we look at the location of this angle and this angle, what we should recognize is that those are consecutive interior angles, and so therefore their sum would equal 180. So I'm going to take the 3x minus 14 and add it to the 89, and that should equal 180. So that's the equation we're going to have to set up. And if we solve that, then we should have that x is 35. If we look at number 2, here's our 2 parallel lines. Our transversals cutting through. If we look at this angle and this angle, those are corresponding angles. And so therefore, we're going to set up the equation 6y is equal to 120. And y will equal 20. If we look at number 3, we have this line parallel to this line. So if we look at the location of these 2 angles, those are alternate exterior angles. And so we're going to set up the equation 13x minus 2 is equal to 89. And if we solve that equation, x should equal 7.